Hey family, this is Darlene, jewelrybybdk.com and etsy.com/shop/jewelrybybdk. I wanted to present a couple of my boho inspired statement necklace sets today. And just for the sake of time, we're going to boogie right on into this, and we'll start with the agate slice statement piece. This one is a 3x3 agate slice, and it's covered with 18 gauge gold tone wire and a variety of different beads, clay beads, plastic beads, howler beads, which are turquoise, and it's strung on an 18 gauge tarnish resistant gold tone wire. So the beads are check beads, dark brown beads, clay beads, plastic beads, howler beads, and then we have a recycled gold tone metal bead that has been covered in wire. And all the necklaces are finished with a lobster clasp, the jumbo lobster clasp, and jump rings. Generally, I finish all the necklaces with double jump rings just for the sake of security. And this necklace is a set, and it comes with, look how pretty that is. And it comes with a set of earrings, check stone. That's about an inch and a half. Dango boho earrings finished with a fish hook, and some people like to call it ear wire, which is fine, it's all the same. And that's one, you can find this on jewelrybybdk.com or in my Etsy shop at etsy.com/shop/jewelrybybdk. How pretty is that, right? And just imagine in a black dress or jeans and a t-shirt, a graphic t-shirt. Nice little pair of faded, ripped up jeans, some cute sandals, or a pair of Converse, or any kind of tennis shoe you want to put on. Your hair just popping all over the place, natural or in a ponytail, or however you want to wear it, with this popping all along your neck, right? Boho inspired. And then this one is 24-inch, and it's beach glass that has been wrapped in 18 gauge gold tone wire, a variety of different wood beads, check beads, bone beads, and it's finished with a lobster clasp, the jumbo, right? This one is a set, and it comes with inch length earrings. How cute is that, right? Sunday morning worship, any one of those business conferences you like going to, an empowerment workshop, and a dress, pantsuit. Beautiful, 24-inch. And then we'll do the third one, which is 20-inch. And this one is a variety of different shells. The pendant here is a metal piece that has been wrapped in 18 gauge gold tone wire, purple and blue, and then topped with a dark brown coconut chip and purple wire. You have a variety of beads here, black onyx, turquoise, puka shells, some glass beads, black and white shells, clay beads, just a little bit of everything. Just a little bit of everything. And this too will be finished with a lobster clasp. And you have the earrings here, which are 12 millimeter jade beads, wrapped with that gold tone wire halfway to give it a nice spiral look. How pretty is that, right? And these sets, they range anywhere from $125 to $225 depending on the style. So you're welcome to visit jewelrybydk.com or my Etsy shop, etsy.com/shop/jewelrybybdk. And any one of the other necklaces here, you also find these on my website or my Etsy shop. And I'll be adding I want to say a good 10 new designs over the weekend. So be sure to stop by, see what you can find. They make great gifts. There are also some earrings in the bottle that you'll find there that'll make great stocking stuffers. They'll make great exchange gifts at your workplace, or just really fun, cute gifts. Okay, I'm sure you'll find something over there. Jewelry by BDK.com, Etsy.com/shop. That was all wrong. But watch this. I'm not getting ready to redo this. I'm gonna just say this all over again. Let's consider it a blooper. Jewelry by BDK. Let's consider it a blooper. JewelryByBDK.com or Etsy.com/JewelryByBDK.co. You know what I also wanted to say too, I hear a lot of people talk about coming out of your comfort zone. And then if you think about it, what really is a comfort zone, right? Comfort is a place of exactly what it says, comfort. You kind of move and breathe and have your very being in that space. So I don't even think it's a place of comfort. I think it's more of a place of fear, especially when it stagnates your productivity, right? It's like we get into these spaces where we allow ourselves to coddle and court and marry fear, right? All the time there are a whole lot of things that we want to do that we won't do out of fear. So you know what the answer is to that? Allow yourself to be inspired by somebody. But because we live in an existence of ego, right? I don't need to learn nothing from her, or I don't need to learn anything from him. He's not better than I am. Sometimes they are. And it's okay to allow yourself to be inspired by somebody else, right? And I will always say this, we as human beings can either bring out the best or the worst in people. And which person are you? Darlene Knight, JewelryByBDK.com. Make all your days for the history books. Shop soon.